Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your Grammarly account. To log out of Grammarly, follow these steps based on the platform you are using. In the Grammarly web application, open up your preferred web browser and head over to grammarly.com. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see a sign out button and your email underneath it. Hover your mouse to it and click on it. Now click on Yes Sign Out button. Now you can choose any of the options from here. Or you can also click on Sign Out Now button. And as you can see that you have been signed out of your account. Now to sign out from your Grammarly desktop application, open up your Grammarly desktop. After that, click on the settings button here and go to the account tab. Here you can find sign out button. Click on it to sign out from your account. So that is how you can sign out from your Grammarly account in web application and your desktop application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.